Welcome to episode 6. Today we're going to start this thing up for the first time, something I've waited 23 years for. Everything's ready to go, all primed. For those of you who don't know or didn't watch the video, 2300 horsepower, 1130 a side, 572 big block Chevys with Whipples on them. And let's do it.
Gotcha. Didn't know it was that easy. Yeah, I like the exhaust.
Oh yeah, tailpipes came out really good. All done by IMCO. See, we centered the pipes over the drives, which I think looks really good. I hate the asymmetrical exhaust when people put one like here and there and there and here. It's just way more work, but it's so much better. Oh, it looks so good in the sun.
As we go up right now, you'll see the water pissing out of that crossover.
You want to be on YouTube? Ooh.
Okay.
right, guys, after running the boat, we are super close to getting it in the water now. Really minimal issues when we ran it. There was a couple small leaks, a couple hoses that need to be tightened. The only thing that sucked was the starboard motor had a plug missing out of the oil filter housing, so that kind of dumped oil all over the bilge. That blows. Got that cleaned up, got that fixed. We fired everything up, and we're gonna get it in the water in the next couple days. Since I filmed those clips, I put hatches on with the boys. We're gonna get upholstery in it. There's not really much left to do. So next episode, it's gonna be us running it. It's been a long journey, but we've done it really fast. We only got the boat around September, and it was a wreck if you go back and watch the first videos. I mean, it sat outside without a cover for at least 10 years. I think it was shrink wrapped for a while when we went to see it for the first time, but gel coat was destroyed on the deck, had to do glass work, redo all the upholstery, new engines, new floors, new fuel tanks. You go through all the drives, rebuild the transmissions, a lot of work. So to do that in the amount of time we did it is pretty good. Definitely comes in handy to have your own boatyard, and then be just down the street from Dan at Team Archer is making this much quicker than most people would be able to get this kind of stuff done. Keep your eye out the next couple days or maybe a week, depending on how this goes. But next episode will be sea trialing this thing for the first time.